Hi everyone. Our next question is gases, liquids, and solids are made up of small particles. Which row gives the relative separation of the particles? We know solids in these molecules are very closely packed. Okay. In the case of liquids, the molecules are slightly apart, but still it is closely together. And in the case of gas, it is about 10 times further apart than solids and liquids. So the answer is C. Gas is far apart, liquid and solid, it is close together. Next, which statement about evaporation of water are correct? Evaporation causes the remaining liquid to cool. The statement is correct. During evaporation, the more energetic particles escape from the surface of the liquid. This is also correct. Evaporation happens only at 100 degrees Celsius. This is actually wrong. It occurs at all temperatures, but the rate of evaporation increases as the temperature increases. That is the point. As temperature increases, rate of evaporation also increase. So the right answer is 1 and 2 are right. So it is B. Next, which surface is the worst absorber of infrared radiation? We know black will absorb, right? So dull black and shiny black, it will be absorbing infrared radiation. Next, white, it is the worst absorber. In that shiny white is the worst absorber of infrared radiation. So the answer is D. Next, the diagrams show graphs of displacement against time for 4 waves. All the graphs are drawn to the same scale, which has the largest amplitude and highest frequency. So first we'll take about amplitude. You can see here the distance from this point to the maximum height, this top point, that is the amplitude. So for this, it is shown 2 blocks, right? For this one it is 1, this one it is 1, this one it is 2. So we'll be choosing A and B. For A and B, the amplitude is high. Amplitude is more for A and B. Next, we'll see which has highest frequency. So we'll see the time period. Or in this you can see from here, the half cycle is covered in 1 block. Here the half cycle is being covered in 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. So which will be having highest frequency? A will be having highest frequency because this is a time period. Time and frequency is inversely related. Time is equal to 1 by frequency. You can see here, this takes more time, right? Here the time period for half cycle or full cycle, the time period is more. So frequency will be less. Here the time period for full cycle, you can see the time period from here to here, the time period compared with this one, it is less. So frequency will be more. So the right answer is A. This diagram, this will be having highest and largest amplitude and highest frequency.